Welcome back to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into a tool that can help you streamline your digital marketing, monitor your online presence, and track link performance. That's right, we're talking about how to use Bitly for link tracking. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Bitly like a pro to shorten URLs, customize links, and track their performance with ease. So let's get started. Why use Bitly for link tracking? Before we jump into the how, let's quickly cover the why. Bitly is a powerful tool for creating short, shareable links that are not only easy to manage but also come with robust analytics. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or marketer, Bitly helps you monitor how many people are clicking your links, understand which platforms drive the most traffic, customize URLs to build trust, and improve branding. Setting up your Bitly account. To get started, head over to bitly.com and sign up for a free account. While the free version offers basic link tracking and shortening, a premium plan unlocks advanced features like branded links and deeper analytics. Once you've created your account, you're ready to start tracking. Creating your first shortened link. After signing in, you'll land on the Bitly dashboard. Look for the Create New button in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the pop-up window, paste the long URL you want to shorten. You can customize the back half of the URL to make it more recognizable. Click Create. Bitly will generate a shortened link that's ready to share. Tracking link performance. One of Bitly's standout features is its ability to track link performance. Here's how to access the analytics. From your dashboard, click on the Links tab to see all your shortened URLs. Click on any link to open its analytics page. See how many times your link has been clicked. Understand where your audience is located. Identify which platforms are driving traffic to your link. Using branded links for better engagement. Branded links improve trust and click-through rates. For example, instead of using a generic Bitly link, you can create links like go.yourbrand.com/promo. Upgrade your plan. Branded links are available with Bitly's premium plans. Set up a custom domain. Follow Bitly's instructions to connect your domain. Create branded links. Use your custom domain to generate links that align with your branding. Tips for maximizing Bitly's potential. Organize links with tags. Use tags to categorize links for campaigns, platforms, or clients. Integrate with other tools. Bitly integrates with platforms like Google Analytics, Hootsuite, and HubSpot for seamless tracking. A/B test your links. Share different versions of links on various platforms to see what performs best. Checking the performance of a campaign. If you're running a campaign, Bitly can be a great way to track its success. Create unique links for each platform, for example. Use one link for Instagram and another for Twitter. Compare clicks across links. Check which platform drives the most traffic. Optimize based on data. Use the insights to adjust your campaign strategy. And that's how you can use Bitly for link tracking like a pro. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, sharing content, or just curious about who's clicking your links, Bitly provides the tools you need to succeed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, good luck and peace.